Hi, Shaylin with WTI, and I want to show you how this little tool keeps me hands-free with my tablet. This Amazon Basics adjustable tablet holder is so nice because it does just that. It holds your tablet so you don't have to. You get to be hands-free, and it really holds any tablet that you may have, whether it's Apple, Android, Kindle, whatever. So it's perfect for this position if you're wanting to read. I love that it folds so small and so compact that you're able to throw it in a bag if you want to take it somewhere on to travel and just on the go. But look how many different ways it folds. So whatever angle you need your tablet at, you're covered. And it's so nice because you can have it this way, maybe to read or anything else. And then you can also turn it sideways so that you're able to watch a show, play games, whatever you need. And like I said, completely hands-free, and you don't have to worry about it slipping around because it has really great anti-skid, anti-slip pads on not only the bottom, but also where your tablet rests. Really, this is just such a handy little tool to have. This tablet stand has been so nice and so handy to have. I love it whether I need it at home or on the go. With its nice portable, foldable size, it's so great to be able to just throw in your bag. I would highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.